Hey guys, welcome to the new video, and today we are going to talk about constants and variables in JavaScript. So let's see what are variables in JavaScript. So variables are one of the fundamental concepts of any programming language. We use variables to save data in computer memory and give name to that memory location. With that name we can read the data in future. So let's take a real-time example. Suppose we have a box and which we basically use to organize our stuff, and in each box we put some small boxes with the label. So basically the small boxes are the memory location where we save the data, and the name on the label is the variable. So let's just get into the code editor. On left side it's Visual Studio Code, and on right side it's the console from Google Chrome. So let's start. Before ES6 we use keyword var for the variables, but from ES6 we use let. So let's start. It's let name, and here's the terminator, and then let me simply console.log name. So it should say undefined. So yeah, as here you can see it says undefined. So now because I have defined a variable but I didn't assign any value, so let's just assign the value, and it says Waleed. So yeah, now it says Waleed. So here are a few things which we should discuss about standards and the best practices. So we can define multiple variables in the single line like this is equal to Waleed, and here I can say last name is equal to Ahmed, and if I print them, so it will say first name, last name, and yeah. So here you can see it has printed the Waleed Ahmed. But the best practice is that we should define one variable in single line, not multiple. So yeah, now it is better. There are a few things that we cannot use reserve keyword as a variable name, like I cannot use this if is equal to my variable name. So yeah, as you can see it has given an error, uncaught syntax error. So we cannot use any reserved keyword. And the other thing is that there are few things, let me just write down. So the first one is that we cannot use reserved keywords as a variable name. And yeah, we should variable name should not start with numeric digit. So like we should not do this, let is equal to Waleed, and so yeah, we should not use this. So this is about the variables, and yeah, there are different conventions to follow, like camel case and snake case. So what I'm doing here, I'm following here camel case, so which is like the first letter of the first word is small, last, and the first letter of the second letter should be capital. So guys, this is about the variables, and now we will talk about constants. So now let's just define a variable called discount rate, and set its value to 0.3. So basically this is the initial value, and we can change the value at any time. So let's just change discount rate to 1, and I'm gonna log into console. So let's see, console.log discount rate. So yeah, here you can see it says 1, and if we don't change the value it will stay to 0.3. So yeah, we can change the value of variable at any point of the program or code. So but there are cases in the application where we don't want to change the initial value across the application or the program. So in such cases we will just replace the let with constant. So yeah, we use const, and now if I save, so yeah, it says that uncaught type error, assignment to constant variable. So yeah, basically when we talk about constant, we cannot change the initial value. The value remains the same. So every time we have such property in our program whose value is gonna remain the same across the project, we keep it as a constant, not as a variable. Well, let's suppose in our web applications we define the prefix of the URL as a constant, not as a variable. So this is about the constant and the variables. So guys, this is all about this video, and if you have any questions, please feel free to mention in the comment box and I'll get back to your questions. Thank you.